Hi, my name is Neil Henning. I'm a developer here at PPO, and in this video, we're going to create a calculated key metric that displays the percentage of projects that do not have any budget assigned. This is a useful governance and data quality metric because projects without budgets can affect financial reporting, forecasting, and portfolio oversight. Before building the key metric, we need a way to determine the total budget for each project. For this, we'll need a calculated field. So to add a calculated field, we'll browse the administration menu and click on data fields. We'll ensure that we are on the project entity, and then we can add our calculated field. I've done this beforehand, but we can quickly take a look. So it's just the caption is total budget. It's a currency field type with 2 decimal places. And there's a formula here that sums the total cost budget from the cost entity for the current project. And now we're ready to add our key metric. We can browse to our home. We can go to our management dashboard, click on edit. We'll add a panel. We'll add a widget to our panel, select the key metric, choose projects, and add. I'll click on save. So to configure our key metric, we click on the settings icon. We change our calculation type to calculated. We choose percentage as our field type. Now remember, if we choose the percentage field type, we automatically multiply the result by 100 and display the percentage symbol. We are interested in 2 decimal places, and we'll call this percentage projects with no budgets. We'll choose a red color to indicate that this might be a problematic measure. And now we're ready to build our calculation. So in our math toolbox, we select the arithmetic block. We can change this to divide. In the left-hand side, we want a count if block. And inside our count if block, we want a comparison block. In the left-hand side of the comparison block, we'll have our field total budget. We'll leave that as equal to, and in our math toolbox, we'll drag the numeral, and it should be 0. And then on our right-hand side, we'll have our count block. So the calculation is the count of projects where total budget equals 0, divided by the total project count. In simple terms, what percentage of projects have no budget assigned? Now we can save our word configuration. The key metric will now display the percentage of projects that do not have any budget assigned. As budgets are added or updated, the metric automatically recalculates. And this example demonstrates how calculated fields can be used to simplify more advanced reporting requirements. By first creating a reusable total budget field, we can easily build dashboard metrics that highlight budgeting gaps and improve project governance. Thanks for watching.